A D.C. judge says Donald Trump has to limit what he says about his federal election fraud case. Judge Tanya Chutkan issued a partial gag order. She's hoping that this will stop him from intimidating witnesses or anyone else connected to the trial. Our Jordan Fisher has been closely following the case and was again in the courtroom again today. So, Jordan, what does this order bar Trump from talking about, and what is he still okay to say?
Yeah, Adam, the big thing that Trump has to stay away from is any personal attacks on Special Prosecutor Jack Smith, his family members, his staff, court staff with their family members. And that's not a hypothetical, as you may be aware that another judge in Trump's civil trial that's ongoing in New York right now had to gag him earlier this month after he posted an inflammatory and incorrect statement on Truth Social about one of the judge's clerks. Now, the order does leave many avenues open for him to still criticize the government, criticize the Justice Department. Judge Chutkan said specifically that he can still argue that this is a political prosecution. He can still go out and campaign. And she even carved out among that portion of the order that prohibits him from talking about witnesses, exceptions for Mike Pence, who is not only his former vice president, a key witness, potential witness in this case, but also his rival for the Republican presidential nomination.
So, Jordan, two questions here real quick. Do you first expect that the former president and his attorneys will challenge this order? And secondly, what's the punishment if he violates the order?
Well, Trump's attorneys have already promised that they're going to appeal this order. He himself has gone on social media to attack this. Even during the hearing, he was posting on his social media site about how he thought he called it the Trump gag order by the corrupt Biden administration is totally unconstitutional, is what he said. Going forward, what we expect is that they will use this to not only fundraise, which he has done leading up to this hearing and continue to do. We'll make this part of his campaign as he has. As far as consequences, the most obvious thing that can happen is further sanctions. The judge said that she will consider any comments he makes in light of a possible future motion for a change of venue. And of course, the most serious thing that could happen in violating a gag order is that your pretrial release can be revoked.
Which would mean Trump could possibly end up behind bars if he did something so serious that the judge made that order. We'll be watching this closely. Jordan, thank you so much.